Done, everyone? Just write the definitions. Calling or invoking the method. Calling or invoking the method. Pass by reference. Definition. Calling or invoking the method by passing the reference variable. Is called as pass by reference. Done, everyone? Hello? Everyone done? Calling or invoking the method by passing the reference variable is called as pass by reference. Done?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Okay. Okay, guys, tell me. If he, those who are want job, everyone want job, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everyone wants job, but there is an reference. Okay. Suppose there is a IBM company. IBM there is one auntie and one you have an uncle. अच्छा सबको हिंदी हिंदी समझ में आता है सबको? हेलो?
जी सर.
ओके. सपोज आप लोग समझो जो कोई आपका अंकल है, हाँ, तो वो आपको रेफरेंस करेगा क्योंकि वो आपका अंकल क्या कर रहा है आपको.
Sir,
यस.
I don't know Hindi. Explain in English.
Okay. Suppose you have an uncle. He worked on the company called IBM. Okay, and IBM there is a HR. Okay, HR she's friend of your uncle. Okay, then your uncle wants to refer you. Okay, on for the job, and there is the auntie is there in IBM HR. Okay, so how to refer? How to refer, guys? Anyone? See, this is the company, right? IBM company. IBM. This is the IBM auntie is there, right? And your uncle is there. Your uncle is there, and on Dinga or on डिंगी एक लड़का और एक लड़की को जॉब चाहिए. ओके, एंड डिंगी इज देयर. ओके, तो इन दोनों को जॉब चाहिए, तो ये अंकल को जानता है. ठीक है, तो ये अंकल इस अंकल का कनेक्ट है किसमें? ये IBM कंपनी का HR से. IBM का वो एक आंटी है HR, इसके साथ इसका रिलेशन है. ठीक है, तो आपको डायरेक्टली ये नहीं जानता है आप कौन है. ठीक है, IBM company don't know who are you, but IBM company HR know the who is your uncle. If your uncle is referred you, then only they will know the who are you. Okay, so So your CV give to the your uncle, and your uncle it will forward to the IBM company, right? समझ में आया? हेलो, देखो भाई, एक डिंगा है और एक डिंगी है, दो दो लड़का लड़की ये दोस्त है। तो ये करना क्या चाहते हैं, इन दोनों को जॉब चाहिए। तो ये क्या, इसका एक अंकल है, ये क्या ये जॉब किया था आईबीएम कंपनी में। तो इस आईबीएम कंपनी का एचआर के साथ इसका गुड रिलेशनशिप है। तो ये क्या करेगा, ये रेफर कर सकता है आपको, आपको जॉब के लिए। ठीक है। तो आप अगर डायरेक्टली जाएंगे इस आईबीएम कंपनी में तो आपको नहीं पहचानेगा आप कौन है। लेकिन अगर ये अंकल अगर आपको एक विजिटिंग कार्ड देगा, जो हाँ ठीक है ये वाला ये विजिटिंग कार्ड लेके जाओ और इसको दिखाना, जहाँ हमको अंकल ने भेजा है, तब आपको समझेगा जो आप कौन है। ठीक है। This is nothing but pass by reference. Pass by reference means what? Calling or invoking the method by passing the reference variable. Here is the uncle will pass the reference variable to the IBM company. Okay? Understood, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's see the example. Just wait. Just wait, guys. Opening the Eclipse, it will take 1 to 2 minutes time. Okay. Okay, create on class. Sorry. Okay. Okay, I am creating on class for the uncle. Uncle is the main class, right? There is the class called IBM Auntie. IBM Auntie is there. Okay. IBM underscore Auntie is there. Okay. IBM Auntie, and I creating a method void. They want test engineer or developer. Okay. They want developer. We want good developer. Just wait. IBM company want good developer. Okay, then after that creating a class for Dinga. Okay, Dinga means okay, Dinga. So Dinga want creating on the method, static void need job. Okay, need job and creating one more class for Dingy. Dingy is there, and creating one more static method, static void. C also need job. Okay. See, uncle is the main class, right? This is the main class. This is the main class, and here is the main method. Okay. Just create an object for the IBM auntie. Okay, IBM auntie means A1 equals to new IBM auntie. Okay, and in this reference variable pass to the here, creating on reference variable for IBM auntie. This is the A1 and no A2, and here also create IBM auntie A3. This is the reference variable, right? After that, sorry, we have A3 A2 dot needs developer, right? IBM auntie wants developer, right? Just pass it here, and A3 dot developer. What is the requirement in the IBM? There is the requirements for the developer, right? And creating the reference variable of this class, of this IBM auntie class. This is the reference variable, and through reference variable call this in this method. What is the developer, right? Both of them wants job for the developer, right? And just pass the reference through the uncle. Pass the reference through the uncles. Guys, are you able to understood? Hello. Just how to call static method in the static to static. Guys, hello. Sandhya, how to call static to static between the class?
Directly we should.
Between the class directly, how can call you directly? In the single class, this is the we can call directly. Between the class name
By
dot.
creating an object.
No. This is the non-static. This is the static. This is static method, right? This is static void need job. This method is static method, right? If you want to call the static to static method, and between the class we use syntax class name dot variable name and
Method.
class name dot method name, right? This is the class
Yes.
name Dinga, right? This is the Dinga is the class name. Okay, class name dot there is the method name called
Valid.
need job. Okay, and pass the reference. Pass the reference. Which reference? This is the IBM reference for this uncle. So who given the reference? Who given the reference? Uncle given the reference to you. Uncle given the reference to you. You just go take this visiting card. This is like it will work like visiting card. Uncle give the visiting card and go to the company, right? And Dingy also is there. Dingy also is there. Okay, and just call and pass the reference, same reference. Okay, just run the program. See, we want job. We want good developer. We want good developer. Understood, guys? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not? See,
Yes, sir.
see, there is the JVM memory is there. Okay, JVM memory is there. This is the stack, right? This is stack, and this is the heap memory, and this is the static pool area. Static pool area, and this is the method area. And class loader will load all the static member one shot. Okay, this is the static member, right? This is the static member. It will load in the static pool area, and this is also static member. Then it will load also static pool area. This is also static member. It will load in the static pool area, right? Class loader will load all the static member in one shot in the static pool area, right? After that, JVM will come into the picture. Okay, the JVM will starting from the main method. This is the main method, right? JVM will starting executing from the main method. It will finding out at first main method is present or not. Main method is present or not? Present. Hello. Hello. Main method present or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, present. Then it will check main method is present or not. Then after that, starting executing from left to right and top to bottom. Left to right means what? This is the left to right and top to bottom. Then comes to the next line. There is the one object is there creating and the reference variable, inside the heap memory. And constructor will initialize all the non-static member. Constructor will initialize all the non-static member. Where is the non-static member? This is the non-static member. Any member which is declared without a keyword static is called non-static member of the class, right? Then it will store in the non-static in a heap memory, right? In a heap memory. After that, it will check, comes to the next line, then check there is the on class and there is the on method, right? Then check, then it will call to the class. This is the class, and check the where is the method is present or not. Okay, method is there, and there is the on class type reference variable. This is the reference variable which is class type. Okay, then through reference variable we just call this method. Through reference variable we just call this method. Through reference variable we just call this method, developer method. Okay, after that it will check comes to the next line, then it will check the one more method, one more class is there, and one more method is there, and just then calls to the this method, and through this class, after this go to the next method, go to the next line, and this line it will check whether is the static void method void need job. This is the method is present, and this is the class name, and this A3 is the class type reference variable. This is the variable which is class type. Okay, understood? This is the method which is class type. Understood? हेलो
सर ये टॉपिक यूज तो कर रहे हैं,
हाँ
मतलब क्या चीज काम आता है ये वाला टॉपिक,
पर समझे नहीं
मतलब
Just
कि मतलब क्या
wait after that it will check the method is present or not. Okay, then yes this method is present, but through reference variable we just call the developer. This is the method for the IBM auntie. Okay, we just call this method, and whatever the value inside this method, that the message it will printed, right? We want job. Okay, then whatever the method area, there is the method body is there. There is the method body, it will store in the method body, and this method body also store in the method body, and this method body will be stored in the method body, and this method body also stored in the method area. Understood? Then after that it will move to the stack, then it will get execute. Stack will stack which is used to execute the program. Understood everyone? Okay. Who asked the questions? Who's there?
सर नहीं आया सर, नहीं आया सर.
Okay, dinga is the just name. You just put on
नहीं
your
सर,
self
जैसे
also.
जैसे ये अपने को डेवलपर मेथड कॉल करनी है तो अपन A1 डॉट डेवलपर लिख के ही कर सकते थे ना, तो ये इतना सब क्यों किया?
हाँ
जैसे अपने को डेवलपर मेथड कॉल करनी थी, अपन ने
हाँ
उसका ऑब्जेक्ट बना ही लिया था, तो
हाँ.
A1 डॉट डेवलपर लिख के मेथड कॉल हो जाती, तो इतना सब क्यों कर?
अरे यही तो है रेफरेंस वेरिएबल, यही तो है पास बाय रेफरेंस. हमने क्या किया, रेफरेंस को पास किया है, वो तो हो जाता है, वो तो सबको पता है, वो तो हो जाता है. दिस इज नथिंग बट पास बाय रेफरेंस. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट पास बाय रेफरेंस. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन?
सर वो नहीं आया समझ, टॉपिक
हाँ?
एक मतलब ये समझ में नहीं आया.
आप कौन हो भाई, कौन है आप?
तनीश.
समझ में नहीं यार. देखो, पास बाय रेफरेंस, दिस इज द रेफरेंस, राइट?
यस सर.
तो दिस इज द रेफरेंस. तो इफ यू वांट टू पास दिस रेफरेंस, तो हाउ टू पास? ओके, देखो भाई, आपको जॉब चाहिए, आपको जॉब चाहिए, तो आप डायरेक्टली कंपनी में नहीं जा सकते ना, आपको कोई रेफर करेगा. हाँ, तो
Yes.
आपको कोई रेफर करेगा, तो जो रेफर करेगा वो क्या करेगा, वो कुछ देगा आपको, वो कुछ आपको देगा, जहाँ ये चीज तुम उस कंपनी को दिखाना, तो आपका जॉब हो जाएगा. ओके, तो
Yes.
जो रेफरेंस दे रहा है वो क्या है, वो अंकल है. ये अंकल की क्या है, इसके साथ रिलेशन है, लेकिन आपका रिलेशन डायरेक्टली अंकल के साथ नहीं है. ओके, तो आप अगर इस कंपनी में जाना चाहते हैं, तो आपको थ्रू अंकल के थ्रू ही जाना पड़ेगा। तो आप अंकल क्या करेगा, आपको एक रेफरेंस देगा। आपको जो रेफरेंस दिया, दिस इज द रेफरेंस वेरिएबल ऑफ द IBM कंपनी। This is the reference variable I have created, and the object for this IBM company. This is the reference variable. Just pass the reference variable through this class name dot method name, and inside the method name we just pass the reference variable. This is nothing but pass by reference. समझ में आया तनिष? हेलो,
यस सर।
दिस इज नथिंग बट पास बाय रेफरेंस। और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन? संध्या, हेलो,
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया सबको? कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
ओके, एनीवन, एनी डाउट? Anyone, any doubts? Hello, guys, anyone, any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask.
No, sir.
Okay, try to execute. Try to execute. Try to execute. Okay, you just try on yourself and give on new examples. This is the IBM company. You give you take another examples. This is the uncle. You take another examples. I have taken this dinga dingy. This is the one boys and girls, right? The name is the dinga dingy, right? You just take your own examples and write. Then you will practice. Okay. 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 Right. Okay. Write down the examples. Write down on your copy. Everyone. Done, everyone? Everyone done? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Make the heading inheritance. Make the headings inheritance. Write the definitions. Okay. आप सबने बाहुबली पिक्चर देखा है? हेलो, सबने बाहुबली पिक्चर देखा है?
Yes, sir.
बाहुबली 2, बाहुबली 2 देखा है? तो देखो, बाहुबली 2 में क्या करता है, जो वो पहले जो बच्चा उसका, वो जो क्या था, वो प्रभास का, तो प्रभास उसको पता पहले नहीं था जो वो कौन है, ठीक है। तो जब उसको पता चला जो हाँ मेरा बाप तो राजा था, तो किसी ने कब्जा करके बैठा है, तो वो क्या करेगा, उसका फादर को प्रॉपर्टी को इनहेरिट करने के लिए क्या, कितना है, वो उसने फिर क्या किया और क्या। ओके, तो देखो, इनहेरिटिंग द प्रॉपर्टी फ्रॉम वन क्लास टू अनदर क्लास. ओके, सपोज this is the father property. Okay, this is the one class property, and this is the another property. Okay, so inheriting the property from one class to another class, this is one class. Okay, this is one class to another class, this is the another class, right? This is another class, is called as inheritance. Inheriting the property from one class, from this class, right? From one class to another class to this class is called as inheritance. Write down the definitions. Inheriting the property, inheriting the property from one class to another class is called as inheritance. Understood, everyone? What is inheritance? Hello, everyone understood? Inheriting the property from one class to another class is called as inheritance. Okay, in inheritance has been classified into 5 types of inheritance. Done, everyone? Written? Hello, hello,
Yes, sir.
are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this PPT, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so done. Written the definitions, inheritance.
Done, sir.
Okay, so make the headings types of inheritance. Types of inheritance. In inheritance, has been classified into 5 types. Okay, what are those? Single level inheritance. Okay. Then 2, multi-level inheritance. Okay. Then hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. This is the third one, right? Then fourth one, multiple inheritance. Then fifth one, hybrid inheritance. Done, everyone? Hello? Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then make the headings single level inheritance. Single level inheritance. Single level inheritance means what? A subclass inheriting the property only one superclass, a subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass. This is the superclass, right? A subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass. Okay, this is the superclass and this is the subclass. Okay, this is a subclass. A subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass is called as inheritance, a single level inheritance. A subclass is inheriting the property from only one superclass is called as single level inheritance. To inheriting the property, we use keyword called extend. Extend. Extends. Okay. A subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass is called as single level inheritance. Understood, everyone? A subclass is inheriting the property from only one superclass is called as single level inheritance. सपोज किसी one father's only one child is there. This is the only one child. One child inheriting the property from only one father, right? A subclass, this is the child, right? This is the child class. The A subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass. Superclass means this is the parent class, right? So A subclass is inheriting the property from only one superclass is called as single level inheritance. Suppose कि कौन अच्छा कोई बाप का एक एकलौता लड़का है यहाँ पे, हेलो, लड़का या लड़की कोई है, बाप का अकेला है, वही उसका कोई ये नहीं है, भाई बहन कोई नहीं है कोई? संध्या,
Yes,
संध्या,
sir.
आर यू ओनली वन डॉटर?
Sir.
ओके सर, हेलो, हेलो संध्या.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many brothers you have? You have brothers and sister? One
One
brother.
brother.
Okay. Anyone is there? Only one son? No one. Okay. So only one son. This is the father's, right? He has only one son. He has only one son. This is the subclass. A subclass is inheriting the property from only one superclass is called as single level inheritance. You just write the definitions and after that draw this like this only superclass and make the subclass and give the like this arrow and give here the extend keyword. This is the keyword we used for the inheriting the property, the extend keyword, and make this like this arrow. Okay, then in future you will understand when you open the coffee, then you will understand what is the inheritance, right? Make it. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see the example. Okay, I'm creating one more class for the single level inheritance, right? No, I'm creating the class for the this is the main class, right? This is the main is the class. Okay, class this is the parent class, right? This is the parent class. I'm creating the parent class. Okay, parent class there have some property. Some property means int x equals to 20 lakhs is there. Okay, so this is the property for the parent class, right? And this is the child class. This is the child, right? This is the child class. This is child. This is child. I'm creating a method called this is child, right? No, I am creating the method called child. Child method. This is there. Okay. And here this is child class. Okay. This is child class. So inheriting the property from one class to another class, we use keyword called extend, right? This is the parent class and this is the child class. If we want to inherit the property from parent class to child class, we use keyword called extend. Okay, extend. Extends. Okay, we use keyword called extends. Here it just mentioned extend, extends and parent class name. This is the parent class, right? Just it. And then which class I have to create an object? Hello, which class? Whatever the property in parent class, it will store in the child class, right? To extend keyword, it will store in the child class. So I have to create the object for the child class. Okay, I have to create object for the child class. Child class means C1. C1 equals to new keyword and child. Okay, this is the small c is there, right? Okay, there is a main method. We need to give the main method. Okay, sorry. This is the C1 equals to child. This is the child class name. I have created object for the child class name. Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. I've created the object for the child class, and whatever the value is the parent class, it will be present in the child class. So inheriting the property from the a subclass, this is the subclass, right? This is the subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass. This is there is the only one superclass is called as single label inheritance. Okay, we can call it as here the C1 dot child method. Okay, then printing statement, give the printing statement. Sysout and call the through this method that's it. See, hey, this is child class, right? This is hey, this is child class, and there is the property. Okay, if you have your fathers have some money, then you can use this money, right? So this is nothing but single label inheritance. Yes, subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass is called as single level inheritance. Okay, so a subclass inheriting the property means this is the subclass, this is the child class, right? And this is the parent class. The inheriting the property from its superclass is called as single level inheritance. Understood, everyone? Any doubt? Guys, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Hello? Shall I explain once again or understood? Okay, no doubt. Okay, write down. Write down on your copy for the examples. Write down, everyone. Our output also. This is the output. Done, everyone? Hello?
No, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay, right. Done, everyone? Hello?
Done, sir.
Everyone
sir.
done? Okay. Okay, make the headings multi-level inheritance. Make the headings multi-level inheritance. Okay. See, multi-level means what? A subclass inheriting the property from its superclass. Okay. And in turn, this superclass, in this superclass is going to inheriting the property one more superclass is called as multi-level inheritance. Okay. Extend. Extends. Okay. A subclass, this is the subclass, right? This is the subclass subclass 1. Okay, S1, this is the subclass 1. A subclass inheriting the property from its superclass. Okay, and this is the subclass 2, right? And in turn this superclass, now it's superclass, right? And in turn this superclass is going to inheriting the property one more superclass is called as multi-level inheritance. One more superclass. Okay, one more superclass is called as multi-level inheritance. Suppose you understood this is the grandfather, right? And this is father and this is me. Okay, you try to understood this is the grandfather property and this is the father's property and this is my property. Okay, so I don't I am not able to inherit the property directly grandfather property. Okay, we have to go through father's property. I want to, I am inheriting the property from the father class. Then father class is going to inheriting the property from his father class. Understood? The a subclass inheriting the property from its superclass. In turn, this superclass is going to inheriting the property from one more superclass. In turn, this superclass is going to inheriting the property from one more superclass is called as multi-level inheritance. Understood, everyone? Hello? Hello? A subclass inheriting the property from its superclass, from its superclass, a subclass inheriting the property from its superclass. In turn, this superclass is going to hello. Okay, in turn is okay. A subclass inheriting the property from its superclass. In turn, this superclass is going to inheriting the property one more superclass is called as multi-level inheritance. Understood, guys? Sandhya?
Yes, sir.
Write down.
Yes, sir.
Okay, understood. Understood. This is the grandfather, right? And this is father, and this is me, right? A subclass inheriting the property from its superclass, and in turn, this superclass is going to inheriting the property one more superclass is called as multi-level inheritance. Guys, understood everyone? Guys, understood? Understood the
Yes, sir.
definition?
Yes,
Everyone,
sir.
if you have any query, you can ask. Any query, guys? Okay. Let's see the example. I'm making one more class for a multi-level. Multi-level inheritance, right? This is the main class. Okay. So a subclass. I'm creating on subclass. This is the grandfather, right? G father. This is the grandfather class. There have some property. He have some property means x equals to some values, right? Okay, this is the grandfather, and this is the father. This is the father. Father's property void father. This is the method name. This is father, right? Okay, just hey, this is father property. Father property. Okay. And this is the child, right? This is me. This is me. Void. This is me. This is the property. This is the method, right? This is the method. Pass on message. Hey, this is my property. Okay, till now understood? Okay. If I inheriting the property, then what keyword we'll use? We have to use. Anyone can tell? Hello? If I want to inheriting the property, this is the super. This is the one class. This is the one another class. This is the another class. Then what keyword we used? What keyword? Sandhya, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Ex-
Which
Sir, extend.
extend, right? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Extend. Extend. Extends.
Then,
Then class name, right? GIF.
yes.
GIF father. Means grandfather. Okay. And here also, this is me, right? And this is I want to extend the property from the father class, right? The extend the father. Okay, understood till now? Everyone till now understood?
Yes.
Okay. this is the this is me, right? This is me. This is the subclass, right? The subclass is inheriting the property from its superclass. From its superclass means what? For a subclass inheriting the property from its superclass. This is the father class. This is my father. Okay, and this superclass. Now this is the superclass. Okay, and this superclass is going to inheriting the property from another superclass. One more superclass is called as multi-level inheritance. Understood, guys? Understood, everyone? Okay, the whatever the property, it will present in the father class. Okay, and whatever the property in father class, it will present in the, this is me, this is the child class. Okay, okay, then there is a main method. Tell me then which class I have to create object. Tell me, from which class?
Sir, this is me.
Huh?
Sir,
Which
this is
class?
me.
This is me. Okay, very good. This is me. The it means this is the subclass, right? The all the essential property, it will present in the father class, and this father class, whatever the property is there, it will present in the this is me class. Okay, this is the subclass. Okay, then we have to create the object for the subclass, and this is the subclass, means this is me is the subclass. Okay, T1 equals to the new keyword. New keyword, it will create the random memory space inside the heap memory. Okay, this is the object. Okay, okay, now inheriting the property from its superclass means what? So at first T1 dot, okay, T1 dot, this is me. Okay, and T1 dot father's property. Understood? Understood, everyone? See, only fathers and me property is displayed. Why? Because I'm not called the grandfather property. I have to call T1 dot grandfather property is int x. Int x is the there. This is the grandfather property. See? Okay. See, here is the x, the integer type. This is the variable, right? This is the integer type, and where it is present, g fathers. Okay, just call this variable. Okay, that's it. Okay, there is no printing statement. That's why I have to give printing statement. Okay, run it. Okay, understood, guys? See, this is my property, and this is the father's property, and this is the grandfather property. Okay, you can pass the message also here. This is G father property. Okay, see, this is my property. This is my property. Okay, this is father property. This is father's property, and this is a grandfather property. This is the grandfather's property. Okay, understood everyone? Everyone understood?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Any
Yes, sir.
questions? Any doubts?
No, sir.
If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay, write down. Write down the examples along with the output. And make it like this. Right side of your on your copy, you just make like this. Okay, give an arrow, extend. Here also mention the extend. Okay, this is the G father. Okay, and this is the father, and this is me. Okay, inheriting the property from this, and this class is inheriting the property from this. You just make like this. Okay, on your copy, the right side, and write down the examples on your copy. Okay, after that, you implement on your example also. Write down, guys. Done, everyone? Hello.
Done, sir.
Everyone done? Anyone is still writing? Okay, guys, give the attendance. I have shared. I have shared the link in the chat. Just go through the link and give the attendance. If you've done, let me know. Okay. Others? Everyone done? Guys, make the headings hierarchical inheritance. Done, everyone? A multiple. Okay, see. See, guys. This is the father, right? This is father. And fathers have two child. Okay? Two child. Okay, this is the father class. And child one. This is child one. And this is child two. Then he also inheriting the property from its fathers, and he also for inheriting the property from its fathers with the help of extend keyword. Okay, he also inheriting the property with the help of extend keyword. Extends keyword. Okay, so a multiple subclass, there is the two subclass, right? There is the subclass one and this is the subclass two. The multiple subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass. From only one superclass is called as hierarchical inheritance. Understood, guys? Hello? A multiple subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass is called as hierarchical inheritance. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, write down the definitions. A multiple subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass is called it as called it as inheritance. Done, everyone? Hello? A multiple subclass. A multiple subclass. This is the multiple subclass, right? This is the multiple subclass. Inheriting, there is the property, right? Sorry. Inheriting the property from only one superclass a multiple subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass. This is the superclass. Only one superclass is called as hierarchical inheritance. Understood, everyone? Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Write down and make it make the diagram like this on your copy, like this only. Make. Write down. Done, everyone? Hello?
Done, sir.
Everyone done? Shall I move? Done, Sandhya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, let's see the example. Okay. See, this is the superclass. This is the father class, right? This is the grandfather. And I just make it child one. This is child one. And this is child two. This is child two. Okay, okay. I'm creating new, right? See, this is the father class, right? This is the father's property. Int x equals to int x equals to some value is there, right? And class child one. This is child one. Word child one. This is child 1 and class child 2 void child 2 till now. Understood everyone? If I inheriting the property from the superclass is called as how to inherit? Extend the father class, right? Done. The on fathers have two child. So two child inheriting the property from its superclass. Just till now. Understood everyone? Hello, everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
See, this is the father's property, right? This is the father's property. Okay, here it's one child and here it's one child. Okay, both of them wants to inherit the property from his fathers. Okay, so child 1 is inheriting the property from his father's property, and child 2 is also inheriting the property from his father's property. That's why I have given extend fathers. Here also I have given extend fathers. Understood? A multiple subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass. A multiple subclass means what? This is one subclass, this is another subclass. There are the two subclass, right? A multiple subclass inheriting the property from only one superclass is called as hierarchical inheritance. Okay? So tell me then which class I have to create object. Can anyone can tell which class? Okay, others. Which class I have to create object? Which class?
Child 2.
Child 2? Child 2 only.
And
Child 1 and child 2.
Child 1 and child 2.
Yes, because there is the both class is the subclass, right? And both class inheriting the property from its superclass. Thus, we have to create both the child class object, right? Okay. So see, child. Sorry. Okay. This is the child 1 equals to C1 new keyword and child 1. This is the one object. Okay, and child 2 and C2. This is the reference variable. Create the one more constructor. This is the and C1 dot child 1. Okay, and C. Okay, says out. Okay, then C1 dot x. This is the child 1 property. Let's see the child 2 property. C2 dot child 2. Okay, then sys out C2 dot x. Let's run the program. See, hey, this is child 1. This is the father's property, right? And this is, hey, this is child 2, and this is also father's property. Understood, everyone? Understood? Whatever the property in father's class, it will store in the child class, child 1 class. Through the extend keyword, it will store. And whatever the property in father's class, it will store. It will store in the child 2 class. Okay, through the extend keyword, it will store in the child 2 class. This is the child 1 and this is the father's property. This is child 2, this is father's property. Understood, everyone? Hello? Hello, everyone, understood? Understood, everyone? Any questions? If you have any questions, you can ask. Any doubts? Guys, any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask. Tanis,
Yes, sir.
any doubts?
No, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So no doubts. Okay, write down. Write down this example. Done, everyone? Everyone done?
Done, sir.
Shall I move?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make the headings multiple inheritance. See, a subclass see one subclass inheriting the property the multiple superclass. One subclass in the subclass inheriting the property the multiple superclass. This is the class, right? Is called as multiple inheritance. Guys, is it possible? हेलो, एक बच्चे का कभी दो दो पापा होता है?
नहीं, sir.
तो ये पॉसिबल है? एक बच्चे का अगर दो पापा नहीं होता है तो ये पॉसिबल कैसे होगा? बताओ। तो ये सब क्लास इनहेरिटिंग द प्रॉपर्टी फॉर्म मल्टीपल सुपर क्लास इज कॉल्ड मल्टीपल इनहेरिटेंस। तो ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं है। लेट्स सी। Let's see. Write down the definitions. A subclass inheriting the property from multiple superclass. Is called as multiple inheritance. Okay, and make the points. After that, multiple inheritance cannot achieve through classes. Multiple inheritance cannot achieve through classes. It can achieve through interfaces. Done, everyone? Hello? Everyone done? A subclass inheriting the property from multiple superclass is called as multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance cannot achieve through classes. It can achieve through interface. Okay? You will understand when the interface will complete, then we will see the example for the multiple interface, multiple inheritance. Understood, guys? Just write down the definitions and make the diagram like this and leave it. Okay? Understood, guys? What is multiple inheritance? And why we cannot achieve through classes, we will discuss when we start the diamond problem is there. Then you will understand why we cannot achieve through classes or why we achieve through interfaces. Understood? Understood, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
just write down on your copy like this and make the diagram like this and leave it. You will understand when we'll complete the interface and also diamond problem, then you will understand what is the multiple inheritance. Okay? Okay, guys, done? Write down. Written, guys. Hello? Write down, guys, write down. Done, everyone? Hello? Sandhya, done?
Yes, sir.
Everyone done? Can I stop the sharing?
done, sir.
Everyone. Shall I stop
Yes,
the
sir.
sharing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys.